Hi, Brandon Lewis here from Embedded World 2022, and I'm here at the Aetina booth with Austin Lin, who's a senior product manager at the company. How you doing, Austin?
Yeah, very good. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. So here we are at Aetina. Can you remind us a little bit about who Aetina is and what you do?
Yeah, okay. So Aetina actually is located in Taiwan, and we are focusing on the AI. AI. So now you know the AI world is quite popular and growing a lot, and many inquiries for AI. They have the different applications. So based on this, Aetina actually we are providing we call Pro AI service.
Okay.
Which is software plus hardware integration.
Okay.
Yeah. So based on this, we have different product lines, and the first product line is for our NVIDIA Jetson platform. So actually, for NVIDIA Jetson platform, you can see we have different types of the board based on the NVIDIA Jetson. And we also have a lot of partners. Like I mentioned, we do the Pro AI services. So for camera, actually, it's the eye of the AI.
Right.
So it can detect, recognize like the car counting, people counting, and so on. So that's why we have a lot of partners. But because for the NVIDIA Jetson, actually it's on-base system.
Right.
So you have to integrate the driver into the BSP, which we call BSP stands for the board support package.
Correct.
So that's why we need to have the different partners for peripherals. And for the peripherals, it's quite important to the customer. Now we have 5 categories. The first one is camera.
Right.
Camera parts is the most important thing because for AI, most of the applications are using camera to do the AI. Yeah, so for camera partners, we have 5 camera partners from different regions, different verticals. That's the first category.
Right.
And for the second one is for the Wi-Fi module.
Okay.
Yeah, because sometimes the customer will need to connect to the center or to other devices over the Wi-Fi.
Right.
So we also co-work with Minitronics, a subsidiary of InnoDisk, to do the Wi-Fi. Also put their driver into our PSP.
Very good.
And the third part is for GPS.
Right.
It's especially for smart city. Yeah, because you need to know the location, where the device or the system is.
Right.
So we also co-work with Enter,
Okay.
which is also the GPS company.
Right.
Yeah. And the next one is about the cellular.
Okay.
5G, like LTE, 5G, because you need to send the useful information to the cloud or to the control center over the internet. And the last mile is quite important, no matter wired or wireless. So we also have the cellular communication, and our partner like Fibocom, Telit, and also Synterion. They are our partners, and they also do the POC and the verification of their module to our system, Jetson systems.
Right.
And the last but not the least is about the storage. So because Aetina actually is a subsidiary of InnoDisk group.
Right.
Yeah, and so we also combine their SSD to our AVL. AVL stands for Approval Vendor List.
Right.
That's a product. And by the way, this is the board level product, and we also have the
System
level product. And in addition, we know the AI, actually, we will need the software partner, which is AI professional company for AI algorithms. So we also have some cooperation with software partners, AI partners. And in Germany, we have the ESASoft. They are doing the people counting and so on. And in Europe, actually, the GDPR is quite important. It's for the privacy.
Is this part of the Pro AI service that you're talking about?
I would say still one of that is especially for AI partners. But it's more application level because we know some of the end customers will need this kind of, I would say, total solution.
Right.
Yeah, so besides the software plus the hardware platform, I would say service, we also need an AI partner.
Right.
Yeah, to do the total solution.
That's great.
Okay.
So if individuals want to find out more, where should they go? Is your website the best place to start?
Yeah, I think the website, and for sure we also have the LinkedIn.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so website for sure is the best way to go first.
Very good. So that website is Aetina.com, and that's Aetina.com. Thanks a lot, Austin. We really appreciate your time today.
Thank you.